Hey, inanimate objects. Cause yeah, that's the only thing I'm talking to right now. Cause we don't have anyone following us.
We don't have anyone following us.
God. Anyways, okay.
Hey, Mom!
Okay, anyways, yeah, I've been having a pretty awesome summer because, you know, it's, sorry, wrong thing. Summer! But, yeah, so, you know, that's how I say,
That's how I say, I don't know how you say,
No, okay, no, but, yeah, I just got I got a wetsuit today, and, fins, like, for surfing. It's pretty cool, so, you know, I'm gonna be going, yeah, pretty cool, yeah, I don't know. But, basically, that's it, so, Jesus, you got anything?
No. Pretty cool.
Really, is that it? Jesus! Say something.
I said something.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, bye.
Bye.